Titans, welcome to a Titan Docs video. In this video we'll talk about the repeated section and a specific functionality which is called don't add blank page after last page break. So to demonstrate this functionality, I'm going to bring back six accounts into the Word document, and we'll bring them in a repeated section, and I'll show you what the before looks like and what the after looks like, so the cause and effect. So first thing what we're going to do, we're going to drop the cursor down and log into our Addin. Once you're logged in, you're going to insert a repeated section like this, and I'm just going to choose account. I'm just going to give it a comment, parent accounts or hospital accounts. Alright, something like that. And then what I'm going to say is insert page break for now. So I will show you the before. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to really extend this as much as I can. Bring it all the way down here, like that. And then within it, I'm going to add some dummy text. So got some lorem ipsum text here. Just going to insert that one by one. Let's add a couple more paragraphs in there. And then this one here as well. Right, once I've added this, I'm just going to move this cursor all the way back up like this, and we're just going to go ahead and insert some fields here. So what we'll do is we'll actually get rid of a lot of this here so we can create some space. Alright, so this one will be account name. This one will be account type. And this one will be account number. And again, I'm just going to move this up because that's where I want it. Alright, so we'll go ahead and insert our fields, insert field. Name will go here. Type will go here. And then number will go over here. Like that. Alright, so I think this is set up and this is good to go, so I'm just going to demonstrate this for you. This is the before, so we'll say bring all the accounts where name contains, let me make this a bit bigger, name contains hospital. So we say bring all of them, and now I will go ahead and show you the preview. Okay, so in our preview, we're bringing the first hospital here, second hospital here, third hospital here, and so on. Okay, so we're bringing back all the hospital and it repeated. But notice on the last page here, it's blank. Okay, so sometimes what you want to do is you don't really want to include the blank page. So this is what this functionality is, which is don't add blank page after the last page break. So this being the last page break, we don't really want to add it. So to basically get rid of this functionality, or just to enable this functionality, what you've got to do is click on your section, go in here, and then check this. Understand if you can't access this because you need to check this first. So make sure you do that. Don't add blank page after last page break. Now click Save. I'm going to run this exact query again into the document. And as you can see, again, we're bringing the data back as expected. But if I scroll all the way down to the last page break, you can see there is no blank page after the last page break. And that is all there is to this functionality. So something very, very important, something to be mindful of. In case you don't want to include a blank page on the last page, be sure to check that functionality. And that's the repeated functionality for you with no page after last page break.